Have you ever wanted to make money day trading? Has it ever seemed crazy to you that you could sit here on your phone, click a few buttons, and print money? Is that an insane thing to think about? Because it's the reality for a lot of people, including myself. And I want to show you today how you could do the same thing as long as you have one of these. That's right, a phone. You don't need a crazy setup. You don't need computers. You don't need anything. If you got an Android, you could do it. If you got an iPhone, you could do it. If you got a Samsung. And hopefully by the end of this video, we make some money together. I'm going to do some live trades. As always, all these plays are always posted on my Instagram. And without further ado, let's get into it. So what do you need to do to actually trade? Well, before I made my app, I don't really know what I would tell you. Probably TradingView and Exchange and a couple other things. But since I launched my app Market Mirror, which is on the App Store and Google Play Store, you have literally everything in the palm of your hand. You could do everything that I just said with TradingView and any indicators like Kingfisher, whatever it is. And you can replace all of that by using my app Market Mirror. It's free to download. And essentially what this app does is it lets you follow the whales. So I want to go through what I'm seeing right now in the markets. So hopefully we can make some money. First off, the market's pretty bearish right now. Everybody's shorting, everybody's going down. There's been a lot of longs that have been absolutely obliterated in the last 24 hours. And that's mainly coming off of the Michael Saylor drama, which honestly, I mean, outside looking in, I think is a net positive. You know what I mean? I think that it's honestly kind of bullish that Michael Saylor is getting the fuck out of Bitcoin. But hey, that's just me. And on Market Mirror, we have a ton of trading tools that show you what the whales are doing in real time. You can see absolutely everything. And one of my favorite features is our liquidation max pain and liquidation maps that we have down here. As you can see on pretty much every coin on either Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, there's $300 billion in shorts above us that are waiting to get wrecked, whereas we have 29 billion of longs down below. Now, if you look at any coin, including shit like XRP, the story is the same across the board. We are going up. And right now it says a short squeeze is more likely on Bitcoin. So what does that mean? That means we're about to take some fucking longs. And honestly, I think down here around 57,000, I think this is going to be some free money. So find you an exchange. For me, I use Blowfin. If you want to download Blowfin as well, you can download it in the description. So Bitcoin right now is sitting around 58,000. I think that we're going to go long around here. And then I think that we're probably going to set TP around $61,000, $62,000. I think that's in the bag. And all the data says as well that we're probably going to bounce. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to long some Bitcoin. I also think, honestly, some XRP longs wouldn't be bad as well. This is the bottom, by the way. We're not going lower than $1. I fucking really doubt that we're going to see 50 cents again, 70 cents. I know a lot of people are talking about it. And if you go on the app as well, you can see some of the levels that I've been talking about. So in this right now, we have a level here at $1.03. We have $1.01, 96, 90, and maybe 79. But you're talking like a 23% dip. And I just don't think that's happening right now. So yeah, we will enter some longs and we might be waiting a day or two, but I'm very confident we're going to print. So I'll see you guys on the other side. Little update, it's a few hours later. Bitcoin is sitting around 59,000 now, so we're up a little tiny bit, but I still do believe that we're going to target that 61,000 area. But this is how trading usually goes. I enter a play, I wait, and that's literally it. The whole notion of you sitting behind a chart all day and just sitting there watching it never really made sense to me. Sometimes these plays take a couple days to play out, so we'll see how long this one ends up taking. Boys, we're at the movies right now. I had to do, I'm telling you. We're at 61,000. Free money. Free money.
Sensational.
I told you guys. It's been like a day. I mean, that's how it works usually, you know? Sometimes you're holding, sometimes you're not. Yeah, we need to get back home so we can take profit fully and just break this down. But yeah, I'm about to head home and then we're going to break down the full trade so you guys can really understand why we made money this way. I've been trying to tell you guys that this is the way to make money. I mean, dude, it literally took, 24 hours to make this money. And let me just show you how quick we work. Okay, so down here, around 58,000 we took along. This is the bottom of our level, which by the way, if you're on Market Mirror, you have all these same levels. We longed Bitcoin at the bottom. You can see we kept testing it and we were holding a couple little flushes, but inevitably we ended up going up. We broke through resistance up here and then we pushed to around 61,000, which was again on Market Mirror at the very beginning of this video. At the theater, I took profit up here and then as you can see, we've gone down and right now we're testing this level again. So will we hold here? Will we keep going down or will we go back to 58,000? We'll find out in a few hours. But that is the beauty of trading. That's exactly how you do this. Every single time. It's so simple. Download Market Mirror, see what levels we're heading to on Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, see what liquidations are looking like. Are we heading towards max pain? Is there about to be a short or a long squeeze? And then think logically, okay, we've been going down or up for a, X amount of days. What are the whales thinking? Today, all the whales were longing on Market Mirror. You could see it. As a matter of fact, at 58,000 on the fucking dot, right where I opened up, $25 million in the shebang. And they longed at the same time as me. Or should I say, I longed at the same time as them. Because at the end of the day, that's the tagline of the platform is follow the whale to become the whale. Trade like the whale. You literally just gotta mimic them. This is all a game of manipulation. And if you can't grasp that shit, you're gonna be fucked. It's that simple. So yeah, that's just a quick trade. This is what we do all the time on the Instagram. Literally bang, 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 bang. Like we do this all the time. We have 5 years of results and testimonials. And if you want all of the same plays that I'm taking right here, automated to your account so you never have to trade again, then DM us crypto on Instagram. But yeah, I have a lot more plays coming and I plan to post a lot more videos like this. I think it's more interesting to see how I or anybody else really comes and breaks down a trade. Because at the end of the day, it's not hard. You're just following the wrong information. So yeah, if you like these videos and you want to see more, leave a like, subscribe. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video.